And we are getting breaking inputs from the Supreme Court, which is hearing the hijab case. Now, the Supreme Court has observed that one particular community insisting on wearing something, and no other country has diversity like India. To put this into perspective, I'm joined by my colleague Harish on the broadcast. Harish, what can you tell us about the hijab hearing that's going on in the Supreme Court and Supreme Court's observation in the case so far?
Yes, in fact, very interesting and serious observations, crucial observations coming in from the Supreme Court bench. Justice Hemant Gupta, who is part of the bench, has told Senior Advocate Devdutt Kamath, who was appearing for one of the petitioners, that the problem here is one particular community is insisting on a headscarf, while other communities are following the dress code. Students of other communities are not saying we want to wear this and that. And at that juncture, Devdutt Kamath responded that there is Rudraksha. Many students are wearing Rudraksha. At this moment, Justice Gupta responded that this is worn inside the shirt. Nobody is going to lift a shirt and see if someone is wearing a Rudraksha. So interesting arguments going on in the Supreme Court, and at one juncture, the Supreme Court also asked Devdutt Kamath, who was extensively citing foreign judgments from Australia, South Africa, and France, and asked him to come back to India. And these interesting arguments came. The remarks were triggered when Devdutt Kamath, who appeared for one of the petitioners, cited a South African judgment which allowed wearing of nose ring in classes. He was trying to drive home the point that similarly hijab should also be allowed in classes and education institutions. Kamath said South African judgment was related to the claim of a Hindu girl from South India to wear a nose ring. The school did not permit. The school said it will lead to parade of horrible. Justice Dulia then responded saying, but nose ring is not part of religion. Justice Hemant Gupta joined in saying that like earring and bindi, nose ring is also not part of religion. Then at this juncture, Justice Gupta said, I do not think no other country has as much diversity like our country. All other countries have a uniform law for its citizens. No country has this kind of universal law for all citizens like ours. And told Devdutt Kamath, now forget about South Africa, US, Australia, and France, and come back to India. So Kamath justified his citing foreign judgment, saying, I cite this judgment as to how this case is encapsulated in our jurisprudence. So very interesting hearing going on in the Supreme Court as far as the hijab case is concerned.
All right.